So I'm here at Joe's. I got up early today. Only a handful of boats here. Look, the overflow, nothing. So I definitely beat the crowd. This could be hell today on a holiday weekend, but man, it's beautiful.
It's going to be a great episode.
Beautiful tides today.
Let's kick it off with a new one from Austin
right now.
Snell. This song is called Things.
Look at this. I'm out here early on Sunday holiday weekend. I'm the only person at the boat ramp. Look at the water. Tide's beautiful day. It should be nice blue. And another boat here right now. Hardly anybody in the parking lot, so man, I don't get up early too often, but it is gorgeous out here today. Man, it's just gonna be beautiful out in the Gulf today, out on Crab Island. Beautiful morning. All right, I'm just cruising through Crab Island, about 7 a.m. Actually not a single boat here yet. The water's gonna be beautiful today. You can't hardly tell yet, the sun's not up enough to see how pretty blue it's gonna be. It's gonna be a beautiful day. All I see out here now is just a bunch of pelicans over there. Found them a shallow spot, so I'm gonna cruise through there and head out to the Gulf, see what it looks like early in the morning. But oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. It's only about 3 feet deep right here where I'm at, but you'll see the difference when I come through here a little bit later, how the water looks when the sun starts coming up. All right, so I'm just cruising in here in this inner channel. This is the inner channel beach. It's not the Gulf. The sun's still not high enough to show you the blue water, but look how clear it is. It's just gonna be beautiful. This will all be full of boats here in a couple hours, but I beat everybody out here. So I'm in the pass right here. About to head out to the Gulf, and look, the tide's still coming in. You can see all the currents here, the water, all that water rushing in from the Gulf. It's coming in right here. Look at that. It's gonna just go right through there, flow up through there, right over into the bay from Crab Island. Here's the beautiful water, so you see it all coming in. Amazing seeing the current of the water just coming up through there. Alright, I'm going to head out to the Gulf early here in the morning. I'm setting out here in the Gulf of Mexico. There's the beach here in Destin. The water's just going to be beautiful today. It's going to be really beautiful. But look at the beach today. No waves. It's going to be just amazing. Perfect for a holiday. Be a lot of people out here. Not gonna have to worry about rip currents or anything in this. It's just gonna be like a swimming pool. The water's gonna look a lot more blue when the sun comes a little bit higher, but you can still see how clear it is. Look at that. About 8 feet deep right here. And you can just see the bottom of that. Stunning day. All right, I'm gonna ride up down the beach here a little bit. Make sure I keep my distance. It's out to the Gulf of Mexico. All the fishing boats out there this morning. Look, man, it's Wi-Fi low. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this is early morning cruising down the beach. Sand seawall built up here. Look at that. Waves crashing off. Look, it's just Beautiful, beautiful morning. The sun's just starting to get high enough where you can see how pretty the water is. And it's going to be a beautiful day. Actually, Henderson Beach State Park right here. It's going to be packed later today. Look, the sun's finally getting high enough. You're starting to see the blue. A couple more hours will just be beautiful emerald water through here. Saw a huge pack of sharks together. By the time I could turn around and get the camera going, I don't see them anymore, but it must have been 15 or 20 sharks. I'll keep looking. I love getting that on video. Look at all these big fish. Taking drone video of a girl out here. Hand catch it. Perfect. Alright, so I'm inside here in the inner jetty. It's just a real nice area. It's inside the pass. I like to snorkel here because there's no Gulf current. See right now how beautiful it is before all the crowds. It's just people snorkel right there against those rocks. There's just a bunch of beautiful fish and even sea life and turtles and stuff up in there. I love this area to hang out right here. Especially like right now for this crowd. Here comes another snorkel boat. Yeah, so see, you can see all the people snorkeling up in here. See all kinds of tropical beautiful fish up in there. Let's park them over here. Sand dollar. Snorkeling, selling, and coffee. Decided to go ahead and jump off the ski before the crowds get here and just walk around and enjoy this area. Look at this, how beautiful it is this morning. There's a few boats out here.
Don't get it wet, baby.
Snorkelers. I'm going to walk over there where the snorkel boats are. Just keep relaxing, the water's perfect. Everybody just arrived, about to go snorkeling. See some people set up the scuba dive. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Hey, also check it out. I basically have the same WaveRunner, Sea-Doo, jet ski, whatever you want to call it. It's a lifeguard, look, Destin lifeguard. Here's my slightly different color scheme. How cool is that? He's got that cool board on the back to save people. It says life's there. Very cool. So if you look at this is a device called Snuba. It's kind of like scuba, but you have these tanks floats on top of the water. So see, air comes from this. It goes down to your hose. See right there. He's showing them how to use it right now. But your air is contained in this device here. Press tanks inside there. So she thought about getting one of these myself. Super cool. I don't believe they sell them to the public though. It's just for these commercial outfits. So something I'm going to look into.
They are
Very
professional.
cool. There's the boat right there. But they're gonna, once he gets them trained, they'll go out there deeper and start looking at some fish and hopefully looking at turtles and stuff like that. You see down there, you see that little vendor boat, pink and white stripes. Really nice folks. Before there was anybody here at all, I was kind of hanging out behind them and chatting with them, and they're just moving here, trying to get a little business going. They still have a home in Northern California, but they want to move out here. They were super nice. I actually got in my Sea-Doo so fast this morning, I forgot to bring any water, so they actually gave me a water. And it was cold, I mean, super cold. It was perfect. So really nice folks. You see the little pink and white boat, give them some business. And I got a big sea turtle right here I just found. Let's see if I can get any footage of him. I'm gonna mess with him. That is awesome. Told them there's some sea turtles here, so look at this. There's one poking his head up, look. Look, about 3 of them down there. Can y'all see him?
I can.
Can you see him? Can y'all see him? You see him? Yeah. I think there's 3 of them. One right behind you, look.
That's awesome.
Pretty cool, right? I think I can see him better up here with the angle.
Yeah. That's like actually like 12 feet down there.
Is it really that deep? Yeah. I'll let y'all know if I see anything else. So I'm just out in the Gulf of Mexico now, right here in front of the beach. Look at this. Look how beautiful the water is. This is in the Gulf of Mexico today. It's just almost smooth. There is no surf to speak of. Wow, just beautiful. Just ride down through here. Show you the water. Look at this. Helicopter, I mean, scared the heck out of me. Right here around the jetty, but how beautiful this is. Let's turn the circle here. Amazing out here today. you saw my video earlier when I came through here, there wasn't a single boat here. It's a nice place to be. So lots of people like to come here. It's Crab Island right over there under the bridge. Destin right there. So lots of people like just to come anchor here on the beach. And you don't have to have quite the crowds. Crab Island. So this is awesome. Beautiful. Water today. Into the bridge and go check out Crab Island. Alright, we're coming to the Crab Island today. When I came through here early this morning, there was not a single boat out here. It's all filled up with tourists. You see up there where the colors get lighter, it's just 2 to 3 feet deep in most places. The water's beautiful today. Remember when I came through here this morning, there wasn't a single boat out here. Now it's filled up nicely with tourists and locals. So they call it Crab Island. It's not really an island anymore, as you can see. It's just a sandbar a couple of feet deep underneath the beautiful Gulf of water right now at high tide. Used to be an island kind of shaped like a crab. Back in the 60s, a couple hurricanes came through, knocked it down. Now it's just a sandbar under the water, a couple feet deep. It's gorgeous, as you can see. You see this thing out here. There's not a lot of tie-ups. Most people just kind of get their own space and anchor, throw out a lily pad or some kind of float and just ball around, relax, make their own space, make their own party. Beautiful. Alright, look at this cigarette boat. Center console. Quad Mercury Racing 450s. Tied up to a sport fishing yacht. Good life right there, man. Yamaha 255 center console, beautiful seafoam green. Talked to the guy, he gave me the connection on where he bought it from. Look at this Sea-Doo setup. I always wonder, how do I take my watercraft out there and still have a way to relax? Well, there you go.